Welcome to the Diamond Mountain channel. I can't work with this stupid burr. A good craftsman never blames his tools, that's what I say. Oh really? Wow, you must really know your stuff. Like, let's make something together. Show me what you can do. Hang on, let me just prepare a saw blade for you. Different jewelers have different techniques for like saw piercing. I'm always interested in what other people can do. But hang on, let me just prepare this blade for you. Won't be a sec. Get it all around the corners. Okay, I think it's ready now. Right, have a seat. Oh, thank you. I wasn't expecting to be making anything at the bench today. Okay, what would you like me to do? Right, just cut through this bit of metal, see how you get on. Okay, I think I can do that. Just cut through this, no problem. Nice saw frame. Okay. Other people's pegs are always very strange, aren't they? You know, get used to your own, don't you? It's quite slow, this saw blade, isn't it? You alright there? No problems, no. Just give me a minute. Sure there's not a problem? No, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna turn it round and cut from there. There's definitely nothing wrong with the saw blade because I never blame my tools, so it can't possibly be the saw blade. It's quite hot in here, and it's just I'm not used to the humidity. Okay, don't worry about that. Yeah, put that down. We'll try something else. Let's try some drilling, shall we? So I've got a nice new drill here. Let me just prepare the drill for you. There you go. Lovely. Nice fresh drill there. Right, just to help you out a little bit, give you a head start. I'll put a little dent in this bit of metal so you won't have any problems with the drill slipping off and stuff. There you go. Nice dent in there. No problems. Right, I'll just put this in for you. There you go. Ready to go. There you go. Oh, thank you. Yes, I'm very good at drilling actually, so I won't have any problems with this. Oh, got the oil. Yes, I know about oil and drilling, so no problem there. A little bit on the end. Okay, this bit of metal. So let's just quickly drill through this. Oh, doesn't appear to be. Oh, quite difficult. I'm not used to this brand of drill. Hang on, give me a second. Is everything all right with the drill? No, nothing wrong with the drill. No, absolutely not. I'm a good craftsman. I don't blame my tools. Okay, I'm kind of mucking about in this video, but I want to just make the point that if your tools are inferior in any way, it's very difficult to do a good job. And this saying, a good craftsman never blames his tools, has been weaponized by many people, teachers and people in workshops, workshop managers trying to be funny. It's annoying, and I first heard it when I was at school doing metal work for the first time. Literally one of the first times I ever tried metal work. And the files they gave us, they were like, I remember these big chunky files like this. And like where schoolboys had just been banging them against each other because you get sparks off them if you hit two together. They were just all dented and chipped, and it was impossible to like do good work with this file. So I said, I can't do it with this file. And then the teacher goes, a good craftsman never blames his tools. Like, the tool was inferior. I found it really annoying. And it's been said to me a few times throughout my career. If you've got a saw blade, sometimes from new, you saw away and they just turn. So you've got to compensate. You lean them across or trying to go in that direction to get it to go straight. Really difficult to do a good job. So it's annoying when people weaponize this saying, a good craftsman never blames his tools. It's annoying to hear when you're trying to do a good job, but you're really struggling because there is a problem. There is literally a problem with the tools you're using. I think the saying was born out of people not putting much effort in and then coming up with a bad result and being frustrated, or they comparing their skill to someone else did something better than them, and then they blame their tools just as a way of kind of hiding the fact they didn't try hard or they haven't got the skill. Then it's a fair saying to say out loud to someone, but it's still annoying. But it's been weaponized. People just say it all the time, no matter what. You actually have got a problem with the tools, people will just say it anyway, no matter what the situation. So I don't like the saying. I would never say it to someone. Like if you're in Bilton School of Jewellery, you sat with me here, you're very welcome to say like your ball burr is blunt, got a problem with the drill, like it's too short, so it's not really doing its job properly. Even if it's sharp, when it's very short, there isn't that flute going down the side. If there's not enough of that, they don't work very well. And yeah, files, blunt, like, I don't know, just, you know, like I did that comparison on the beeswax. Like if you got like trying to pull wire down and using that like dusty blue stuff I was using, it's not doing a very good job. You might keep breaking the wire if you haven't got proper lubrication on it, trying to pull it through. It doesn't matter how well annealed it is. If it's gripping too much going through the draw plate, it's going to snap all the time. Problem with the tools. So yeah, just a little thing I had on my mind I wanted to put into video form to put out there. I'd even take it a step further. Like you've probably heard me on the channel multiple times before blaming the characteristics of silver when I'm trying to get things to solder. Did you have enough sleep last night? Are you tired? This job's difficult when you're tired, or a bit hungover, got a headache, like eyes not focusing, just want to go back to bed. Like, this job is difficult. It will test your patience at the best of times. Having to concentrate something on really tricky, really closely, with a headache. It's not hard. It's not easy at all. It's a difficult job. It's a hard job to do like that. So yeah, just blame stuff away. Just get it off your chest. It'll feel good. Voice your concerns and you just feel better. You might actually fix your problem to some degree. Right, it's been a bit quiet last couple of weeks for new patrons, but all of a sudden I had like a burst of quite a few, so thank you very much guys. I really appreciate you becoming patrons. Right, we got Sean Muller, John Mayer, Ciara Michaels. Like, forgive me if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. I would much rather get it right, I really would, but it's difficult. We got Laurie Union, Hans Hubner, Trent Lacour, and then a couple I haven't written down yet. I got last night. Come on, my son, where are you? I can't turn my phone on. Come on, here we go. Cool, blimey, my son. Karen Nuttall and Trent Lacour. Thank you very much, guys. I don't know what to say. Like, we've got over 100 patrons now. Like, this is crazy. Like, I really enjoy doing the videos, and then all the patrons with their monthly contributions are really making it possible to do more. So it's a really nice feeling of gratitude for the patrons I've already had, and then also just the feeling of a future for continue doing this. So I really appreciate that, and I'm very happy to be in the situation to be able to offer everything I've learned and put it into video form for you to learn from. So my channel, yeah, will always be a bit kind of low budget. Like I always look on YouTube for other jewelers, what they're doing. Other people seem to be really good on computers and have like lots of special effects and graphics and fancy music and stuff and good lighting and a very like like a specific workshop for like television cameras and stuff. I've just got this little setup at home, my little camera, doing editing myself. I'm not that skilled on computers. I don't have the patience to learn. Just doing the editing for these videos is like, it's like painful a few months trying to learn it. But where I think I make up for it, just the content is golden. Like I've got proper good training for over 20 years. I've got a huge backlog of stuff I can teach you, and I'm not just like fresh out of college and then teaching what I learned at college. I've learned the hard way over the long way as well, with lots of other people who did it the same. So yeah, I think my content, I'm making up for my lack of expertise and professionalism with the videos. Just the actual content is really good and useful. So I hope I can raise the bar a little bit with compared to other YouTubers, jewelers. But yeah, thanks to everyone. If you haven't done already, click like and subscribe for the algorithms, and yeah, help the channel grow, help support me. If you want to become a patron yourself, I'd really appreciate that. You can follow the link in the description. And also, I always say it, I haven't got around to getting it going yet, but there's YouTube membership coming soon, which will just be like an equivalent of Patreon, just another way of supporting the channel. So look out for that join button, it should be coming soon. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And blame those tools. Don't worry about it. Put them on. Put them on. Okay. Here you go. Here you go.